What's up everybody? So I wanted to start making YouTube videos about my whole detailing process in my business and how I run it. I feel like it would be pretty nice for somebody my age, or even, whatever age you are. I feel like it would be pretty beneficial for somebody to watch videos like this and to straight up learn how I do it, because really the whole reason why I want to start a channel like this is to give somebody motivation to go ahead and start their business. Whether it's detailing or not, it doesn't matter at all. It's 100% possible, and I think anybody can do it. So I'm 20 years old right now, about to turn 21. I started this business last year, probably between 18, 19 years old. And right now it's pretty successful. I'm only doing it part-time, so it's nothing crazy at all, but I'm still in it, I'm still doing it, and I've still learned so much about it that I wanna be able to give that information out to anybody that needs it or wants it. Literally here to just help and also receive information from you guys, or whatever you guys wanna see how I do things personally, because they're gonna be different from other people, whether it's how I talk to customers or how I clean cars and my process and steps and everything like that. It might be a little bit different than other people do, but I think it's still gonna be pretty useful for somebody, like I said, anybody, to watch these kind of videos and I don't know, do something like that. I got the inspiration from Hunter's Mobile Detailing. I don't know if you guys seen his videos, but they're absolutely phenomenal and they've taught me so much. And after watching them, I'm like, man, I really want to go out and start making my own YouTube videos. So that's why I'm starting this whole thing. And I think it's going to be pretty fun to make, honestly. I'm terrible at making videos right now. So hopefully I get better, because I know I'm like mad awkward just talking to myself in the camera, but I hope it gets better and more entertaining for you guys. We can build a small community and just work together and do this whole thing together. So let me go down to my car. I want to show you my setup, and yeah, we'll just go through it and we'll go from there. I'll show you inside. I'll show you how I have everything set up, and then we'll go from there. So, quick look. It looks normal, like nothing's going on crazy. I don't have it wrapped yet or anything. No decals on it just yet. But yeah, like I said, I've only been doing it for about a year. So, still growing, still doing it. But once you look at the back, it's just full. It looks like a mess, but I'll show you kind of how I have it laid out real quick. And then it should make a little more sense. So I built this wood flooring. You got 2x6s underneath. I think I put 3 of them running all the way down, and then just a sheet of plywood at the bottom to hold everything. Keeps it pretty level too. Don't mind the thick cooler, but it goes all the way to right there. And I pretty much just have everything onto it so I can screw it in, and it's a little bit easier. But I'll just do a quick walkthrough, kind of tell you what I got. So I kind of just threw these things in real quick, but this is my buffer. Behind it here I got a vacuum and then another vacuum, but it's an extractor as well. Over there, the yellow thing, that's the steamer. And then I got a little foldable table here, like a little cart. So what I'll do is I'll pull this out right away, then I'll grab this. This is just the most common supplies that I use, so I'll take that out. I'll grab this, throw it on top, and then I have just a little shelving here with some microfibers on it. You got interior, exterior, and drying towels. This cable you can just pull out, and then I can just plug it in, and it does it for my compressor, so I don't have to take it out because it gets a little loud, so I don't like to take it outside and disturb people. So yeah, the air compressor's right here, and then I have just all the power cords ran to the back of the seats and everything, just being held up so I can just take it right out. This is already plugged in, ready to go, so all I gotta do is plug it in and turn it on, and then I can just take all that out. Just some applicator pads in here and some other things like wash mitts or whatever. I bungeed it so it wouldn't open. These are just random tools that I have, just a bunch, literally just a bunch of random stuff. And then drills and just some other extra stuff, another extension cord, another hose if I need it. I actually carry all the gallons behind here. They're all underneath here. I think I have 6 or 7 gallons of just the most common things that I need it for. But yeah, nothing too crazy. I got some other stuff in there, like a little wheel seat, that little red thing right there. Some buckets stacked up. I carry 3 buckets with me, one for the wheels, one for clean, and one for dirty cars. And then if you go way back in here, I just have a little step stool so I can reach the roof for some taller vehicles. But yeah, I mean, that's literally it. That's what I have set up here. I try to make it so I can at least sit 3 people in here total, including me, because this is still my daily vehicle. So this is the detail mobile. This is what I use for everything. I mean, I don't have a trailer, I don't have a van, nothing like that. So you guys can definitely do it out of your SUV. It's totally possible. I actually love this car. It's so perfect for, I mean, everything that I do. It's so perfect. Let me hop in here so you guys don't hear all this wind and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I use for detailing and everything that I need. I keep a couple things at home, but that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy. Like, this is basically everything that I have. I like just straight up did this. I got this car last year, and pretty much a month after I got it, I started detailing out of it, just doing friends and family's cars. And then after that, they told their friends, they told their family, whatever it was. And I just got more details. And then over the winter, I don't detail in the winter. I actually live in Massachusetts, so the winters get pretty bad here, so I don't detail mobily. That's a big reason why I want to get a shop down the road. But for now, I'm just worried about this, worried about my situation now, and that time will come for a shop. Pretty much what I want to say, and probably my biggest advice to you guys that don't have a website, is build a website. 100% build it. If you haven't already, just figure out how to build it and build it. I use GoDaddy, and that works perfectly. People can set up appointments on that, and I don't have to worry about anything. It's literally so much better than having out your calendar and telling people, oh, okay, I gotta see what day I'm available, whatever times. You put in all the times for how long you think a detail will take, and then they fill out their information. What I actually have people do is answer 3 questions saying the make and model of their vehicle, if they have power and water, and one other thing I can't remember. I did it a couple months ago, but it gives you all the information you need. And then I always tell them I'm gonna give them a call a week before the detail, or a couple days before, just to make sure they're still good with it and make sure they're good with the price. Definitely work out the price before you get to a detail, and always say it might go up because it's due to condition and I can't see the vehicle. If they want to know the final price, you ask them to send you pictures, and still say the price may go up because you might find something somewhere, whatever. Always let them know that the price may go up, just so they know, because that's just avoiding a situation that you don't even want to deal with. So that's number 1 advice. If you're gonna get anything out of this video, take that, go build a website for whatever it is. Even if it isn't detailing, if you're gonna be a barber, a mobile barber, I don't know, anything, literally any job you want to start, build a website. It's gonna push you so far. I don't even pay for Google ads or anything, and I'm already getting people I don't even know booking details. So it's super, super helpful. It's literally like having an assistant. I'm not even kidding. So I went with GoDaddy. Like I said, I love them. They're awesome. So if you want to go with them, 100% do it. And if you guys have any questions on how I built a website, feel free to drop a comment. Also, I'll leave my website link in the description if you guys want to check that out. You can see how I laid it out and how I did it. You can do it whatever way you want, but if you want just something to look at while you're building yours or whatever, go ahead and check it out. I don't mind at all. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, I wanted to just show you the basics right now, and we can get more in depth down the road. This is my first video that I'm making, so I don't want to go crazy and talk to you guys for 20 minutes and bore you. I just kind of want to go over what I do, explain it a little bit. If you want me to cover anything specific, please drop a comment down below, and I'll try to cover it as fast as I can and make a video about it. I do need some video ideas, so please drop them down below in the comments section. I think the next type of video I want to make is just go into the detail, explaining to you guys what I'm going to do, and then kind of popping in when I'm doing the cars and showing you where I'm at and going through it and trying to teach you guys a couple things that might help you out, or might not. I don't know. You'll have to find out. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you have a wonderful day, night, morning, whenever you're watching this. Probably midnight if you're like me. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Peace. That was probably the most YouTube exit ever, but whatever. I'm just gonna do it. I'll learn. Whatever.